Every year, millions of small businesses import machines from China. Some save thousands of dollars. Others lose everything to a scam that looked completely real. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process to import your first machine from China safely, from finding a real supplier to avoiding the most common scams, to getting your machine through customs without a single surprise fee. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what the professionals do and what beginners get wrong. If you're new here, welcome to BizBox Global, where we break down real machines, real business opportunities, and real ways to save money on equipment. Hit subscribe if you want more guides like this one. China manufactures more industrial and small business machines than any other country on earth. That means lower prices, often 30 to 60% cheaper than the same machine sold locally. But it also means more competition between suppliers, and unfortunately, more scammers hiding among the legitimate factories. The good news: if you follow a clear process, importing is not complicated. It's just unfamiliar. Let's fix that. Before you even open a supplier website, write down 3 things. Number 1, the exact machine specifications, power requirements, dimensions, output capacity. Number 2, your budget, including shipping and import duties, not just the machine price. Number 3, your timeline. Sea freight can take 4 to 8 weeks. Air freight is faster, but far more expensive. Beginners skip this step and end up buying the wrong voltage machine, or a machine too large to fit through their door. Don't be that person. There are 3 main platforms serious buyers use. Alibaba, the largest B2B marketplace, best for a huge range of machines and suppliers you can vet directly. Made in China, smaller than Alibaba, but often has more established industrial manufacturers. Global sources used more by professional importers with stronger supplier verification. Here's the key beginner mistake. Don't just search for the machine and click the first result. Filter by verified supplier, gold supplier, or trade assurance badges. These aren't perfect, but they filter out the most obvious scam accounts. Then, and this matters, check how many years the company has operated and look at their transaction history if it's visible on the platform. Red flag 1. The price is dramatically lower than every other supplier for the same machine. If everyone else quotes $2,000 and one supplier quotes $600, that's not a deal. That's bait. Red flag 2. They push you to pay outside the platform through direct bank transfer or personal payment apps. Legitimate suppliers use the platform's secured payment system because it protects both sides. Red flag 3. They refuse a video call or live factory video. A real manufacturer can show you their production floor in real time. A scammer cannot. Red flag 4. No company registration information or the address doesn't match a real industrial zone when you check it on a map. If you see 2 or more of these red flags together, walk away. There are thousands of legitimate suppliers. You don't need to gamble on a risky one. If the order is large, consider paying for a third-party inspection company to physically visit the factory before you send final payment. This costs a small fee, but it can save you thousands of dollars on a large order. Use trade assurance on Alibaba or an equivalent buyer protection system on other platforms. This holds your payment until you confirm the machine matches the agreement. For larger orders, a letter of credit through your bank adds another layer of protection. Though it's more common for larger businesses than first-time buyers, avoid full upfront payment through direct wire transfer with no protection. This is the single most common way beginners lose their money completely. A safer structure many importers use: 30% deposit to start production. 70% before shipment, released only after you've confirmed inspection photos or video. Once payment is confirmed, you'll choose a shipping method. Sea freight, cheapest option for heavy machines, but slower. Good for non-urgent orders. Air freight, faster, but can cost 3 to 5 times more. Mainly worth it for smaller, lighter machines. You'll need a freight forwarder, a company that manages the logistics between the Chinese ports, country. Many suppliers can recommend one, or you can hire your own for more control. Here's what beginners forget: import duties and taxes. These vary by country and by the machine's HS code, which classifies what type of product it is. Before you order, look up the import duty rate for your specific machine category in your country. This number can add 10 to 25% to your total cost, and you need to budget for it upfront, not discover it at customs. When the machine arrives, don't sign for full acceptance until you've tested it. Take photos and video of the unboxing process. This protects you if there's damage or missing parts. Test the machine within the platform's buyer protection window, which is usually 30 days. If something is wrong, you still have leverage to open a dispute and get a refund or replacement. That's the complete beginner roadmap from finding a verified supplier, to spotting scams, to getting your machine through customs safely. Importing from China isn't risky if you follow a process. It's only risky when you skip steps to save time. If this helped you, subscribe to BizBox Global. We cover real machines and real business opportunities every week. And let me know in the comments, what machine are you thinking about importing? I read every comment. See you in the next one.